Hey, Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we make marketing magically profitable. Now, if you're someone who's tired of hearing the same old get-rich-quick advice, stick around. Because today, I'm about to take you on a ride from zero to millions. And trust me, it's not as complicated as you think. We're talking about the 5 stages of success that got me to my first million, and the lessons that can save you years of trial and error. Whether you're just starting out or looking for that next big leap, these principles apply to anyone who's serious about building something big. Let's dive in. All right, imagine this. You're 18, and the closest thing to financial wisdom you've got is, well, your mom telling you not to spend your entire paycheck on fast food. Yeah, I was there. But here's the thing. Hustle never sleeps, and neither did I. When I started my journey, I was selling fish door to door. Talk about getting your hands dirty in the world of business. Think about it. For in the morning, freezing cold, and I'm out there trying to convince people to buy mackerel. This was stage 1, the awakening. I didn't know much about money, but I learned 2 things. Sales is king. If you can sell, you can make anything happen. Money isn't yours until you keep it. Enter the concept of lifestyle inflation. Watch out for this one. I started making money, but guess where it went? To fast food and trying to impress the wrong people. That Ferrari I thought I wanted? Turns out no one cares as much about your ride as you think. The real key to success isn't about what you own. It's about respect, intelligence, and kindness. Don't let flashy stuff fool you. People aren't impressed by your possessions. They're impressed by your mindset. Here's where it gets fun. I had the drive, but now I needed the strategy. Stage 2. The hustle took me from a small side gig to real business. But guess what? The journey was not all sunshine and rainbows. I had a business idea, shared it with a friend, and he stole it. Yeah, that happened, and it stung. But here's the thing. Failure is part of the grind. It's how you bounce back that counts. So, what did I do? I got a loan, built up my empire, and bought back the business from him. But here's the trick. While others were investing in stocks, I was reinvesting in my business. I started scaling and networking, and my circle of mentors grew. Here's the kicker. Mentorship isn't just for learning, it's for growing your network. Make your circle tight and your mind even tighter. Stage 3, the trap. This one's a biggie, because here's what happens. When you turn your passion into your income, you start running the risk of becoming a prisoner to that passion. So I built my business and it was doing great, but guess what? I became the bottleneck. The problems, the complaints, they all came to me. At one point, I realized I was just working for my business instead of having the business work for me. Watch out. Don't let your passion become your cage. If you want real freedom, you need passive income. Because at the end of the day, time equals power. Stage 4, the refinement. This is where things get sophisticated. I'd gone from $1 million to $10 million, but with that came new temptations. There's a saying, you can have everything at the buffet, but you'll regret it. As I grew, I started dabbling in penny stocks. And yes, I made some bad choices. Lost $30,000 on a couple of risky bets. But here's where it gets good. Do your homework, always. Here's the secret to scaling smart. Only invest in what you understand. And if you don't understand it, experiment with small bets, not your life savings. So here we are, stage 5, mastery. By now, you're probably thinking, all right, Anukool, this is where the magic happens, right? And you're right, because once you've learned to scale, protect, and diversify your assets, you can start doing what I like to call the high-level play, taking calculated risks while always keeping your foundation strong. My real breakthrough? Understanding risk versus reward, and having enough control over my time to make investments that don't just make money, but create value. Here's the kicker. The real wealth isn't just in the dollars. It's in the freedom you earn along the way. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments, and I'll let you know what I think. And hey, if you're serious about stacking up those digital dollars, hit that subscribe button and join me every week, because you won't want to miss what's coming next. All right, folks, let's wrap this up. Remember, in digital marketing and business, the smartest work wins, not the hardest. So keep learning, keep earning, and most importantly, keep hustling. And if you're ready to go deeper into all this marketing magic, don't forget to check out theimarketingschool.com for more tips, tricks, and strategies. Catch you in the next video.